You have to know the chapter of syntax, the use of article. You have well known the use of article and grammatical errors. Without using proper words, you cannot frame a sentence. Thus, there are two types of articles. One, indefinite article. In indefinite article, two words are used, a and an. How can you use in the construction of sentence? It is very easy to know. A denotes one in or any. You have to know a and an denotes one and also in. If you are going to use, there is a tiger, एक tiger है. दिल्ली में कोई आदमी है, such as any and one denotes one in number, and the may denote two in number. That is definite article. So first of all, you know a and an. If for one thing you have to use a, if the word starts, begins from consonant in meaning one, so you have to use a. Such as here is a boy, here is a girl. A man is creation of unique creation of God. But in the same way, if you are going to use and, mind it, in your alphabet, there are two types of alphabets, vowel and consonant. If the word begins with the word vowel, vowels are five types of vowels: A, E, I, O, E. In the same process running in Hindi also. The Hindi vowels is in the same way as you are studying in English. If the word begins from A, E, I, O and E. See the example. As you are going to tell, I have an airport. An airport. Keep it also in your mind that the pronunciation must be vowel. Agar there is difference between pronunciation as you are writing aeronautical system, airmen. So, an is used. Sometimes you are seeing that the word begins from A, but the meaning when you pronounce the word, then vowel pronunciation is not cleared by that. If the pronunciation is not vowel, you have to use A. And the pronunciation of the word begins from vowel and it pronounced also vowel like sound. Then you have to use. Otherwise, consonant sound is there, you have to use A, not an. Whereas A and an denotes the meaning one or n. Come on. For example, as you are using and making, there is a cow. If it changes in number, cows. A cow means 1, not more than 1. If you have to finish here, out, omit it, A, then it will be couch. Then the verb is also changed here. There are 2 couch. Each you have to remove. In the same way, here it is consonant. And if you are coming on the vowel, and umbrella. The pronunciation is vowel, and beginning of the word is vowel, and the article. Article means thing is in singular number, so you have to use and. And means one thing. So it is clear here. In the same way as you have seen there are 5 types of vowels. A, you use here. Then come on the next. A. I have a pen. I have an air dryer. Here vowel, here consonant. Before the word consonant and one number, it means that is singular number word. You have to use a, and here it begins. The word begins from vowel. So here you have to use an. Understood it? The next example, A, U, E. I. He has an eye problem. He has an eye problem. Eye problem. I starts the word from E. So you have to use I. Come on, the next O. Take an onion. One onion. It means one piece of onion. A, E, U, O, I. Purchase and import. Purchase, and you have understood the fact that if the word begins from A, E, O, I, U, you have to put I. Otherwise, if the sentence starts with consonant word, you have to use A. But particularly you should know that if the word starts from consonant and the number of the word, number of the thing, number of the place is 1, then you have to use A. Otherwise, I. There is any problem?
Sir, what is indefinite article?
Indefinite article. So now, indefinite article is going to denote indefinite place, thing or person. If that is indefinite, not clear, not definite, then it must be here. It may be one, it may be other. So you have to denote that indefinite in Hindi, you know, anisthit. That is not clear. There is suspicion. So there is any. Any means number is not clear. So that is indefinite. We have to define that it will be definite. That is very clear and properly. Without any suspicion, if that is very clear, then you have to use the particle the. But here it is not definite, it means indefinite. Mind it that if you are going to use in, it diminishes the scope of that particular word. Diminishes means decreasing one, not increasing one. Cut short, reduce, it means diminish. In mathematics, you are reading all the time subtraction, addition, subtraction. In the same way, here increment and decreasement. Decrease means to expand anything, increase means to expand anything, decrease means to saturate anything. So here indefinite article is used. Sometimes we are going to use phrases, idioms, and here in a fix, that is anishtay. That is not clear, that is not definite. There is suspicion. So I am going to use phrase in a fix. That's